All right, Blakey, so everything got hooked up.
First
The other
one.
throttle didn't work, so we put the throttle that came with the controller.
I still
So
like it.
what's your first, you just ran it up the street like 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, I only went, the highest speed I got to was 33.
Okay.
But it could go faster than that, but
Oh, okay.
I got too scared.
Nice.
This thing is sick, bro. Everything feels so good. It's just like so like locked in.
Okay. So tell me again what it is that actually happened
So
with this bike. Okay, so you got a frame.
I got it, some wheels, some frame, and then it came with a motor. That thing, we got rid of it.
Yeah.
Came with the battery. That thing, I'm glad that thing works because that's great.
The battery does work.
Still at full power.
Okay.
But the stem was loose. We fixed the stem. We got some parts for that.
Yeah, that's
now that's perfect. We were having troubles finding a controller for it because the motor wire just wouldn't work with a lot of stuff, with a lot of the other Amazon controllers.
Oh, that weird 10-pin.
Yeah, 10-pin. And then we were like, what if we just get a kit? And there's all these kits. We found this one, and we're like, oh, this one's perfect. It was, but then it was 200 and put another 100 shipping. So that was out of the picture.
Okay.
And then we got this motor that we have now for about $200. And everything's working so well on it. It comes with this display that's super nice that shows everything, the speed.
And this motor came, you didn't have to put it in the old housing. It came with its own rim.
Yep.
Pop the old tire and tube onto it, and you're good to go.
Yep. And this is the mileage on it.
Let's see.
Boom.
Where's mileage?
Right here.
Oh, no way. That's cool. At the bottom. That's nice.
Actually, wait. This is on trip. This is on the trip.
Oh, that's a trip setting.
So
cool.
that's just for this trip. But, dude, this bike's awesome. I had a headlight, which is super nice that I'm just for, like, night riding. I can go to my buddies' houses. I can go anywhere.
Yeah.
And I can take this with me.
So, it's not too trippy, though. You were saying that it's not too touchy. It'll get you to the speed, but it's mellow getting you there.
Yeah.
So like even like moms and stuff could drive it.
Yeah.
Who are not like comfortable with it.
Like Elle, she was scared. She's like, oh, I don't know if I want to drive it. She could easily do this. And she would have a great time on it.
Okay. Rad.
Just a comfy. This is just like a comfy bike just to ride around on.
You go. It's cool. Fathers, work on stuff with your sons.